For regular updates, please subscribe to Smriti's Kitchen. Hello viewers, welcome back to Smriti's Kitchen. Another week and I'm happy to bring you another mouth-watering dish. Today we are making potato cake. For this cake, you don't need flour, eggs, yeast or oven. A combination of potato and beans makes this a very healthy and nutritious dish. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe. So let's start. To make potato cake, we will need 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes, 1 medium finely chopped onion, 1 cup chickpea which I have soaked and cooked in a pressure cooker, 1 cup sprouted mung beans steam, half cup of flattened rice, 1 tablespoon crushed peanuts, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic, green chilies paste, 2 tablespoon lime juice, fresh coriander and a few dry spices. In a bowl, take the boiled potatoes, chickpeas and steamed mung beans and mash them together. I am using a potato masher which will help make a homogeneous mixture without any large chunks. Okay, now let's add some finely chopped onion, ginger, garlic, green chili paste, fennel seeds, crushed peanuts and sesame seeds. For the spicy flavors, I am going to add a quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander, cumin seeds powder, freshly squeezed lime juice, flattened rice which I have soaked in water, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and fresh coriander leaves. Using a spatula, mix all the ingredients together. If you want, you can mix everything together using your hands. Please remember, we are not using any water to prepare this cake mix because we want a thick consistency which will allow us to turn the cake upside down. Now that all the ingredients are mixed together, let's heat a pan on a low flame. Add some oil and grease the pan from all the sides. Transfer the potato cake mix into a pan and evenly spread it all over the pan. I recommend to use a small size pan with a thick base. You will need to bake this cake on a low flame. Slow cooking will make this cake crispy and golden brown. If you keep the flame high, then it may burn from the bottom. For sure, we don't need that to happen. Drizzle cooking oil from the sides. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of the potato cake. Cover the pan and bake the cake for around 15 minutes. It has been 15 minutes. Let's have a look. The edges looks done, but the cake is still very soft from the middle. I'm going to remove the lid and bake the potato cake for another 10 minutes. Now the potato cake is ready. Let's remove the pan from the flame. Cover the pan with the plate and flip the cake over. Look at the cake. It's perfectly baked from the bottom. Grease the pan again with some oil and gently slide the cake from the plate onto a pan and bake it for around 10 more minutes. The potato cake is ready. Let's remove it from the pan onto a plate and take a small portion to check the taste. It's so yummy. I'm sure you will also love this cake. Enjoy this potato cake with some sweet and sour chutneys or chili sauce dressing of your choice or turn it into a nice chaat dish. If you like this dish, please remember to subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share this video with your family and friends.